Hey, 6th grade, welcome to Module 6, Day 3, May 13th, Literacy Classwork. Your objective today is that you will be able to showcase your skill of comparing and contrasting the 1918 and COVID-19 pandemics in writing by completing a comparative paragraph and a contrasting paragraph using best textual evidence. For today's Do Now, please drag and drop traits of the 1918 and 2020 pandemics to where you believe that they fit best. As a reminder, any place that you see the gold star icon is an indication to you that you have work to complete on that slide. Then, you have 3 statements that you will need to complete on how the 1918 and COVID-19 pandemics were similar. Make sure that you complete each statement in 2 scholarly sentences each. Pay attention to the conjunction in each sentence. Because tells us that we need to explain why. But tells us that we need to show differences. And so tells us that we need to discuss cause and effect. For example, I can do an exercise that is similar to these sentences on a different topic. I had refocus on Monday because I was chewing gum. I had refocus on Monday, but I forgot about it. Or I had refocus on Monday, so I didn't get to eat lunch with my friends. Those conjunctions because, but, and so are an indication to our reader about what's going to be happening next. Then you'll have a similar activity, but discussing how the pandemics were different rather than alike. For the rest of the module, you'll be working on writing 2 paragraphs, one discussing the similarities of the 2 pandemics that we've been learning about, and one discussing major differences. Textual evidence, read-alouds, and sentence stems are all provided for you to help you be successful. This lesson does have quite a bit of writing for you to complete, so you will have 2 days to finish it, Wednesday and Thursday. There will be no new material assigned to you on Thursday. As always, Miss Durr and Miss LaPaglia are available to help you if you need it. Just send us a message and we'll do whatever we can to make you successful. Please take care. Have a great day.